Hey John, it's Paul Heck. I just wanted to get back with you on what we were talking about earlier, looking at your website and just seeing what opportunities there are, what we need to do to get you boosted up in the rankings and get some more, jobs coming in. Looking at roofing Longview, Texas, that's one of the main keywords there in Longview. You've got a couple of guys running sponsored ads at the top. This is the Google guaranteed area, the local service ads. You've got just the regular straight Google ads here. And then you've got a couple of businesses down here in this Google Map section where, we need to get you boosted up into that section as well. Down in the organic, you've got Longview Roofing, so they're in both the map and number one down in the organic section. And then you got Clint Tool Roofing down in the organic as well. Scrolling on down, it just gets a little bit all over the place. And nobody real super relevant right there. But these questions right here, these people always ask questions. These are some of the things that we're starting to see AI starting to pick up and rank you for when you have the right content on your website. So looking at your site, you've got a couple location pages. We talked about that and ranking those. Really just need to go through this and see what keywords you have and what we need to add on there. Great profile on the two families and you guys and your services that you provide. We just need to get a little bit more content that is, one, answering some of those, again, people always ask questions, but then also getting the keywords in there worked into that. So what that looks like when I drop it into this program called Ahrefs, it allows me to see kind of just how strong your site is. You've got 8,900 backlinks coming in through 163 places. That's giving you a little bit of power. It's just not in the right place. And the other thing is this 8,900 to 163 ratio is really kind of odd, and there's probably some spammy backlinks on there and actually maybe hurting you more than having them. So that's something that we would need to look at to go through, on a link by link basis to try to figure out which ones, need to go that we can disavow. Looking at the traffic you're getting, you got 12 traffic last month coming in through 76 different keywords. And just looking at those keywords, you're getting found for, your name, composition roof. There's a Dallas Custom Roofing that you're getting into position 26 for. You're way down on the page there. But just in Longview, roofing Longview, Texas, roofing companies Longview, Texas, you're down in page 3 or 4. So really nobody's ever going to find you there just because of the depth of the pages that you're on. And so that's something we got to get changed for you. Definitely can do that. Push you up in the search rankings. Roofing companies Longview, Texas, 63. Roofing company Longview, 69. Just looking at some of the search volume, there's quite a bit. I mean, there's some of these with 150. There's probably 300 or 400 by the time you add all of these up. People searching for that a month, and we just need to get you boosted up for those. So looking at like who's number one, Longview Roofing LLC. They've got a nice looking website as far as like what it is. They've got a little bit of content. They've got a video link to it, some social proof. But really what they're doing is they're just kind of killing it on the backlink side. We see that they probably have hidden some, their keywords in their images. They've got 27 backlinks coming through 22 places. They're just a little bit stronger and more relevant, and probably not the number of backlinks that you have are probably dinging you quite a bit. This results in 32 keywords are getting picked up for, but look at the traffic they're getting, 416 traffic coming in each month for their keywords. Looking at their keywords, roofing Longview, Texas, they're getting 59 traffic off of that. They're position 2, that gets 150 searches a month. Roofing companies Longview, 150 searches a month, position 2 as well. Longview Roofing, 1. Having that in their URL is helping them a little bit, but they've just done some things right from where they're getting the backlinks from and the power that they're passing on to them. So we really need to dig in further and dial down what it is to move past them on the ranking and invest in the right kind of backlinks to overtake them. Now, this Clint Tool Roofing, again, little bit more updated website as far as some of the photos that they have, outlining some of their services. And, they've got not an extraordinary amount of content, but they just have some keywords on there that, again, is pushing them up. 109 traffic coming to them. They dropped 50, so they've had 160 almost traffic each month. 28 keywords. Again, see this backlink ratio 1-to-1 almost is really good. 33 backlinks for 29 places. Those are just really strong backlinks coming in and boosting them up into the number 9 strength on the domain rating. Looking at the keywords they're getting ranked for, it's going to be some of the same things. Roofing Longview, Texas, roofing contractor Longview, roofing companies Longview, Texas. Again, there's several hundred searches a month. We just need to go after those so that we can boost up in there. But what it's going to take is really drilling in and figuring out what links they have and how they're getting that power passed to them, and then building out a method for that. Just from what I see, it's definitely not, this is not from a difficulty standpoint, it's on the higher end of the easy zone. So doing work consistently for a while is going to be able to push up past that. We can always run PPC ads in the meantime, like we were talking about. With the size of your company, you should be making some sizable investments in this if this is something you want to try to capture this and grow. It's definitely on the table for you because you can see these two companies are bringing in a lot of that traffic to them. I could put together something for you on what that looks like, and we can discuss how that works, but just wanted to show you that real quick as far as like what I'm seeing and what your competitors are doing. And we can also, I know you are working in that Dallas market, it looks like. So if that's something you want me to look at further too, we can talk about that. But right now, I'll get this over to you and let me know what you think. Thanks.